Hey YouTube, Vermont Prepper here. I wanted to give a couple updates on the Blazer. Basically, I went to get some new calipers, brake calipers and pads. The brakes were kind of spongy and the calipers ended up needing to be changed. And normally I would do something like that, but it was so rusted on, it just wouldn't be worth my time. And I got them done for like a little over 200 bucks, including the pads, labor, everything. So I'm pretty happy with that. But in the meantime, I tried to get inspected and I needed new tires. So I've been wanting to switch from 33s to 35s. And I know, this isn't a turbo or anything like that. And a lot of people say, yeah, it's, a dog with larger tires. But I'm getting it re-geared, just like I am my M1009 this weekend. So I spoke to the hillbilly wizard down in Pennsylvania, and he says I can just re-gear my existing axles, which is what I'm going to do. I'll just re-gear them. I don't need Dana 60s, Dana 60 or Dana's on the front and rear. I'm just going to re-gear the existing axle, and we'll put 410s on it. But I put the 35s on there, and I was a little bit worried about clearance. Now this thing has a 3-inch lift, and I was a little bit worried about it, but I tell you, it went on with no problem. These are 35 by 12.5 by 15-inch tires. They're the Mickey Thompson Bajas, and not only does it look really cool, but the sound inside the vehicle, I had to drive a little bit on the highway, is probably about 50% less than before I changed the tires. So very happy with it. Give it a little bit more capability in the snow as well this winter. And when I re-geared, it's going to be unstoppable, just like the M1028. The last little update I'll give you, and this is one of those things where I just like attention to detail. So I never really liked the winch cover that came with Sherpa. It didn't cover the whole winch because I mounted the solenoid on top right here. So I went on Amazon and I found one made by Warren that actually does cover everything. And you can see it's covering the whole winch right here. And to cover the Warren logo, because I don't want people to think I have a Warren when I have a Sherpa. Again, small details that I like to pay attention to. I had a patch put on, and this is a Velcro patch right here, and I had, this sewed on by a tailor. The next thing that I wanted to tell you is that I have winter covers for the front, so that the diesel engine stays warm. And right here you see there's wiring, and usually these covers have holes in it that go over the slave receptacle and over the blackout light on the other side. But I would have to take these wires apart, and I didn't really feel like doing that. So I had Velcro. I'm going to have the tailor also do like snip all the way from the bottom of that cover to the center hole and put Velcro. So this way I could just Velcro around the wire, and it makes it that much easier where I don't have to disconnect anything this year. So happy about that as well. In any event, that's pretty much the updates, and hope you like them. Vermont Prepper out, and as always, keep prepping.